What is up, guys? Claim here from FIRM400, and in today's video I wanted to show you guys the types of masks that are out there and the ones that we should use that will protect us from any viruses or any bacteria that's out there in the air. And again, this is just from my own research, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. You do your own research yourself and see which ones are the ones you should be wearing. There may be those types of masks that are of cloth material and design. Maybe the design does have the filter inside, I'm not too sure, and does have the respirator. The ones that I've seen, it looks like they're more just for looks. So you could put the surgical mask on first, then you can have the other exterior one on the outside as another layer of protection. But yeah, those are just more for looks from what I've seen. There might be other ones that are actually designed with a proper respirator, and there are the ones that are approved by the FDA and are made of the higher certified grade materials. So I wanted to show you those. I have 2 samples, but yeah, this is from my own research. So again, you guys should do your own research yourself and see the ones that you should be wearing and the ones that aren't really protecting you. So I just wanted to kind of put it out there so that you guys can at least know and make sure that you guys are protected and you guys can stay healthy and safe during this crazy time. So here we go. So the first one I wanted to show you guys are the common surgical masks that you see here. These are the disposable ones. It's made from 3-ply material. So for these types of masks, doctors and nurses use them to protect them from germs that are going to come during direct contact from their nose and their mouth. So they'll have these on, and if you're sick, this is probably the best mask to use so that it can block any germs that are going to leave your mouth to protect you from transmitting it to other people. So this is probably the common one, but yet it's still not safe if you're trying to protect yourself from airborne germs. So this is how you put on this type of surgical mask. There's a metal strip up here. Make sure you have it on the up position, and then you're gonna put it on like this. Then you can shape it. Make sure you shape it the contour of your nose. Just pull. There you have it. So see, as you can see, putting this mask on, there's like open spaces where air is escaping. So from your cheeks to your eye area where your nose is, air is still escaping, and you're going to be prone to having other types of germs and viruses enter where you're breathing. So it's still not safe, but you know, it's better than wearing a cloth mask. Cloth mask doesn't even have the filters, doesn't have the 3-ply material. So if you have the cloth one, just get a surgical mask, put this surgical one first, have the cloth one, put it on, and I mean, that's your best way to protect you for the time being. But yeah, so this is your surgical mask, and this is how you put it on. All the cloth ones, unfortunately, those cloth ones that you do see, they are not safe. You will be exposed to the germs regardless, even if you have them on. So I mean, at least if you do have a surgical mask on, like this one right here, this will at least protect you, and then have the cloth one over it, because air can still come inside when you have it on. And the next mask I wanted to show you guys are the higher grade masks that actually protect you from any bacteria or viruses, and these are the K95 masks from China. Has the respirator right here. So these KN95 masks you see right here, they are made of certified high-grade material that meets the requirements certified by the FDA, and they filter out 95% of all the germs, viruses, and bacteria that's airborne. So when you have this on, it's going to protect you. Respirator, where the filter filters out all of the non-oil based particles and also the bioaerosols such as the viruses and bacteria. So this type of mask will protect you. So these KN95 masks are equivalent to the N95 masks, which N95 is the American standard, and these KN95s are from China, and they meet the standards to protect you from any type of bacteria and germs. Let's put on this KN95 mask. So it has the metal piece here that will shape to your nose, and as you can see here, the KN95 mask actually wraps around your breathing area and protects you from any type of germs trying to get inside where you're breathing. And then you have the respirator right here, which helps filter out and helps you breathe more better, because this is really sealed out, and you eventually face somewhat of mask fatigue. Once you wear it, you have it on for a good while, you'll get used to it. This KN95 mask will protect you. It is equivalent to the N95 masks and meets the standards approved by the FDA. So yeah, these are the KN95 masks, and they will filter out 95% of the germs, bacteria and viruses that are trying to come to contact with you. It will protect you from that, as opposed to the other surgical masks or cloth masks that you see that people are using. This will protect your overall breathing area. So yeah, there's also reusable and washable masks that are out there. I'm not too sure if it is certified by the FDA or it does have proper filters that will protect you from any airborne germs or bacteria. So those I didn't really do any research on. I'm not too sure. Maybe you guys can do the research yourself and see if it's safe or not. I don't know how the designs are. So yeah, these are the types of masks that you should be wearing or wear for the time being, whether it be if you have the higher grade mask or just the surgical mask. Those are the ones that you should be wearing to at least help protect you from all the viruses and germs that are in the air. And yeah, I hope this video really helped you guys, at least bring some information your way so that you know. And if you guys did enjoy this content, please smash that like button. And if you guys haven't yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are almost at 900 subscribers. We're looking to get to our 1,000 subscribers so that we can get a chance to monetize the content that we create for you guys. We hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I wanted to make this video to at least educate you guys on the types of masks that we all should be wearing to keep ourselves safe and healthy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope all of you guys are in good health. Stay safe, stay healthy. Soon we will all see each other again, and let's do our part in flattening the curve and beat this COVID-19. So I'll see you soon in the next video. Peace.